Greetings, homeowners and developers. Today, let's quickly explore crucial steps in choosing the right builder for your project. Ethics and working relationship. Prioritize transparency and honesty. A solid working relationship is key to a successful construction journey. Type of build. Consider the builder's specialization. Ensure their expertise aligns with your vision and your project type. Licenses and insurance. Verify the builder is registered and adequately insured for financial protection. Financial stability. Choose a financially stable builder with a track record of fulfilling promises. Location. Proximity matters. Opt for a builder with a location convenient to your project. Price, scope, quality, and budget. Evaluate the value and the quality offered by the builder. Team members. Inquire about the quality of the builder's team. Time frame. Choose a builder committed to delivering within the agreed time frame. Experience and skills. Prioritize builders with knowledge, experience, and skills, particularly in relation to critical items like concrete slabs, energy efficiency, and waterproofing. Reputation and references. Research the builder's reputation and ask for references. Selecting the right builder is crucial. Remember these key factors for a successful construction journey. Your project deserves a builder aligned with your vision and your values.